Did you know that getting a Java certification drastically increases your chances of landing a software developer job? It's actually one of the only programming languages that has an accredited certification curriculum. My name is Imtiaz Ahmad, and I'm the best-selling author of various software development courses on Udemy, and I have taught over 100,000 students. Java is the most widely used programming language in the world. It's been ranked the #1 language for years, and it's being used in virtually every single company you can think of. I'm offering a special discount on my top-rated course titled the Complete Java Certification Course. I've designed this course to take you from zero to hero in the Java language, and believe it or not, I've gotten emails from students saying that after completing the course, they were able to land jobs in companies like Amazon, JP Morgan, and Bank of America. So this is as practical as it gets. It's not just a certification course. It will prepare you for the industry as a core Java developer. You'll learn everything you need to know to master the Java programming language, including special emphasis in key areas such as object orientation, collections, generics, multi-threading, JDBC, and lambdas. There is over 18 hours of video-based content along with various real-world projects you can add to your portfolio. I follow the no student left behind principle in my teaching style. So whether you've never written a line of code before or you're well into your career, I'm certain that this course is all you need to become a confident Java developer. Don't just take my word for it. Check out all the 5-star reviews this course has received. And if that's not enough, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked, so you really have nothing to lose and a lot to gain. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and let's get you certified as a Java developer.